by May, a prostitute herself. At her apartment, he runs away from her. Attracted to a billboard, he finds newspaper clippings in his coat about the serial killer. The strangers from the hotel caught up with him and tried to kill him, but the man killed some of them. His wife went to the police station to file a missing person report and found out that inspector has identified her husband as the prime suspect in the serial killings. He came home and claims he isn't the killer. His wife asks him to visit the psychiatrist. Instead, he tailed the psychiatrist and found out that he is working for the strangers by switching memories between people. As all city dwellers become unconscious at midnight, the psychiatrist injects people with their new memories and identities. They also create and destroy matter. New buildings rise out of the earth while old ones are swallowed up by it by thinking in conjunction with an underground machine. Finding their experiments disrupted by his power, the strangers search for him. The man visited his uncle and became convinced that his identity was fake.